As 3D artists, we've all seen mind-blowing water simulations in movies and wondered, can I actually do this in Blender? Well, the answer is yes. In this video, we'll focus on achieving clean, high-quality results by working with proper lighting, deep sea volumetrics, and realistic caustics to get renders that feels as close to real life as possible. I'll start by positioning the camera so we can clearly see our main object. Then I'll add the plane, and in the modifier tab apply a notion modifier. I'll set the repeat X and Y value to 2, change the spatial size to 86, increase the scale to 8x6 and reduce the choppiness to 2.22. For quality, I'll raise the render value to 24 and also increase the viewport resolution. Next, I'll add the cube, apply a shrink wrap modifier, set the snap mode to inside, and subdivide the view time. This ensures the cube conforms properly to the ocean surface and doesn't stick out above the wave. For the caustics, I'll start by adding the spotlight, and I'll switch to the render viewport and make sure that the render engine is set to cycles with the device set to GPU. In the object data properties, increase the light power, then open shade editor to begin building the caustic setup. Add the mix node with blend mode set to difference. Add the Voronoi texture, change its dimension to 40 and set the feature output to smooth F1. Duplicate the Voronoi texture and connect them into the mix node. Add the mapping node and the value node. Duplicate the value node a few times and add the matte node. The matte node connects to the smoothness input of the first Voronoi texture, while the value connects to the smoothness input of the second Voronoi texture. It's a good thing to rename the value nodes based on the input they connect to the Voronoi texture. I'll connect the scale value nodes to both Voronoi texture and the other value node to the W input of the Voronoi texture. Make sure the mix factor is set to 1. Adjust the scale till you are satisfied. For better light controls, I'll add the color ramp and make final adjustment to the overall look. Use the W value node to animate the caustics. Add the sunlight, increase the strength to 15, adding a HDRI to enhance the overall lighting. You can get one from Polyhaven. With the ocean plane selected, go to the shade editor and add in a refraction BSDF. This controls how light bends when passing through a transparent surface. For the cube, assign a principled volume shader and connect it to the volume input of the material output. Adjust the color to match an underwater tone. Reduce the density and increase the anisotropy, something around 0.7 should work. Hide the objects, locking the lights, and properly fine-tune the caustics. Adjust as necessary and once satisfied, unhide all objects in the scene. In underwater footage, you often see small particles floating around in the water. To recreate this effect in Blender, use the particle system. Add an icosphere and slightly distort its shape. Duplicate the cube and delete the top faces. In the shade editor, set base color to black. In object data properties, change the viewport display to bands. This should stop the HDRI from getting into our final renders from below. Add the particle system, set the end frame to 1 and the lifetime off to 50 or match it to your total animation length. Change the source to volume. Under velocity, set normal to 0, enable rotation and add some randomization. In the render settings, switch to objects and use the eyedropper to select the icosphere. Under field weights, reduce gravity to 0, adjust the scale, add some random scale variation and increase it slightly until it feels good. For the particle, add the translucent BSDF and give it any color of your choice. Tweak any additional settings as needed until you are satisfied, then render your final animation. If you'd love to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.